I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss.
Good morning. Morning guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog. Oh my god guys, I've made a strawberry smoothie. It's so nice, it's super nice. Let me close the door. It's like I'm drinking strawberry yogurt. It tastes so yummy. Anyway guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. I'm having breakfast. This is my breakfast. Please don't judge how it looks. Don't judge my breakfast, okay? This is not for the cam, it's for my stomach today. So today is my baking day, and after baking with you guys, I'm going to close off this vlog. Like I said in the previous one, I don't want longest vlogs, so I'm gonna keep them short just until I find my feet. So far so good, and yeah, let's keep going. I'm gonna eat and then I bake, and then I'm gonna open another vlog today and start with my garden. You're going to see the final product of the things that I bought yesterday on the next vlog. So please do stay tuned. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're new here, I hope you love this family. You guys, this smoothie is super good. Like, whoa, like Simon Handy. Let me go eat, guys.
No, I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't quite get how I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape. body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh, ah. We're moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. No, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on feet. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life.
Hey guys. Namaz Lumfana look on TikTok. He's like, hey guys. Anyway, guys, as you can see, I've already started with the baking and I've popped them in the oven. I'm gonna put them in for like 20 minutes. I didn't even check time, but I'll check it just now. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know. An airplane. Anyway, wanted to let you know what's in Kalilu Baker and I'm about to finish. And as I said on the previous vlog that I want to begin with baking, please send through your receipts, guys. Like, please, like, I want to try the cinnamon rolls. I love them so much, so I want to try them. Please send me your best trusted recipe. You can leave it in the comment section or you can leave it in my DM on Instagram. Just share with me which when you bake kanjani, be it scones, anything that you like. Okay, so yeah, let's just wait for 20 minutes and then I'll see you guys then.
Strawberry on my lips and chocolate fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan line. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside.
Oh Lord have mercy. Oh. I can't believe I just did that. Yeah. Let me put it down. Guys, these are so good, and unfortunately we have come to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and give it a thumbs give it a thumbs up, okay? I'm so glad I made this. I finally made this, guys. This was so nice. Tomorrow we are opening a new vlog, doing the garden, okay? Please hold the suspense. Don't be mad at me. Let's get mad at me. So I just took the remaining you didn't get my English. Yes, I took the remaining that and then I put it in a loaf tray. So I'm also doing a mini loaf, just so that I can, you know, I don't want to do one little muffin. So I just decided to put it in a loaf pan. I'm waiting for it to get it over and done with. But bye for today. Thank you for tuning in to Zami, my chomizer. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on it. Caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the high life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside.